All right, so we are back here. We are going to be talking a little bit about what I'm trying to do, what I'm trying to accomplish here. I'm trying to basically create a service, a mentorship, a discipline, a focus with a goal. Okay, of bringing you something you can use to create more freedom for yourself. When Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are released, you don't need any kind of history. You just buy and hold. Now, as these coins trade, they begin to build a history. And this history helps you continue to trade it. It's not going to always be an introduction where when something's introduced, you don't need information necessarily. Just know that it's, released, and it, buys it, you can make money. Anybody that gets in makes money. All of that changes once the market becomes more and more saturated. When it becomes more and more saturated, then it becomes a more, it becomes a more technically advanced or technically traded, I'll say technically traded asset class. Okay. So you're going to need something that's not going to be, like for example, I type in, if you go to DuckDuckGo, and you type in, the search bar, you type in, crypto alerts, you click on them and you see, it's got this nice, beautiful websites with we're going to give you 11,000. This is going to be a whole bunch of that. And it's drowning you in information does not make you a good trader. Okay. You do need access to information. 95% of that information is just noise. Now, you could say, this information is important, but is it important to your strategy? Everybody has a different strategy, but only you are a single individual. And you as a single individual have one way that you trade. And because you have one way to trade, most of what you hear isn't going to help your trading, but be a distraction. So, yes, I'm thinking about doing a crypto alert service, but I need you guys to understand one thing. This is not going to be your typical crypto alert service. Okay? So, I think the name is it's just vague. It's kind of misapplied in some places. I see companies using it, and then it's like, what? This is them feeding you information. Like, you see that this is up 4%, and then that moved like 2%, and then the buyers or the whales are moving over here, and they're not helping you trade. They're just giving you, it's a different kind of alert service where they're just giving you information, chucking you. Anybody can chuck you information. I'm not going to do that here. That's not what this is. This is to help build you can hopefully, with practice and learning strategies that I have proven to work. Okay. I'm standing on the shoulders of giants, right? You're standing on the shoulders of those who have been before me that have been successful, and they have used mathematical logarithms, different types of things called the Elliott wave, Fibonacci. I'm using those discoveries to build upon and create my strategy. Then my strategy is created. I trade it, do very well. I enjoy it. I'm very reliable. I eventually, because it's so reliable for me, I am now trying to share this. Okay. To share this with you guys. Hopefully, you will trade it and you will make something out of it. Hopefully, you will grow in your trading career and your life and do well. I want everyone to do well. I want everyone to be happy, but that doesn't always happen. But if I can help a few, then great. Awesome. Awesome. Let's see. So, I really wanted to make the video not necessarily an analysis video. I wanted to just clarify, okay? Clarify what it is that I'm doing. Because I need you guys to understand very clearly what I am doing with the channel, what I intend to do with the channel, the feedback I'm asking you, the feedback I'm asking, not this quick response thing that goes in the bottom of the comment section. That's why I don't turn it on. But someone who sincerely wants to speak with me and say, hey, you should do one or whatever, and then input that's going to be a positive input necessarily. Well, just an input. I'm not going to say whether it's positive or negative, but an input that you feel is important to help this along. I am all ears. I wish you guys happy trading and to do well. Times are tough for a lot of others, saying that you should have a medical procedure in order to work. Next, it'll be you'll have to have your penis cut off so you can work, and we're not far from that. So let's get serious. Let's get working here, and hopefully this can be a profitable future, a profitable year where you can be a good trader that can make some money to support him or herself, male or female, or whatever pronouns you want to use is fine with me. As long as you are a decent human being who treats others with decency and respect and love of others, I have no problems with that. So, let's see. Yeah, isn't this something? And then it continues up. It's going to where, it's probably going back to where I said, it's already did it for me. It's already did what I needed it to do. But look at, oh my gosh, this is the first time I have ever seen a double bottom strategy be this tall compared to previous price. I have never, I already put the arrows there. I already said where it's going. See, we have some patience. I don't want to do these every single day. I want to do it, give it some time, get these things to kind of turn over, make their moves, form their patterns, and then we trade the patterns and stuff like that. That's what I'm hoping to do. There's so many. I'm going to probably end up narrowing it down. If the video is too long, also let me know, guys. If you say the video is, if it's an hour, if I can narrow it down to just a few pairs, make it shorter if you want it to be, or you could skip through and find your pair, I guess. And remember, I do go in alphabetical order, okay? So if you see something, like if you see me down to like Doge, and you're looking for something like Bitcoin, you have to go back, okay? I don't want to go backwards. I want to have a structure to this. And I'll do my best to do that. Okay. But yeah, I saw that online and I was a little like, huh? Oh, that's what they mean by alert. No, no. What I'm doing is trades that I would make myself or am making myself, okay, are the trades that I'm letting you guys know of what I feel. You take what I'm doing or you copy what I'm doing if you want to. That's totally up to you. Maybe you're in a position you're not sure or something like that, okay? In no way am I saying for you to trade what I trade or do what I do. Um, I don't know any of your risk parameters. I don't know your age. I don't know really anything about you. You know more about me than I know about you. So I don't even know what your voice sounds like. So I can't tell you what to buy or what to sell. Okay. I can say what I would do in the situation. So when I say, oh, buy here, sell, I'm telling you, I'm talking to myself. Okay. Saying, okay, take it as that. This is good. You gotta, okay. And my arrows there. So we know where we're going. Okay. If this actually does head up, huh, hmm. And this amp, for some reason I do like amp. I've always liked amp. I don't know, it's just sometimes you like something. Probably no reason. That was broken because it went up. Trying to figure out why was this broken. Oh, this wasn't broken. It never got past this bottom level here. Oh, that's when it's actually broken. But this part, this right here, this one's the one that's broken. Oh, and then we got an ABCD. That's why it's going. We got an ABCD pattern. See that? Boom, boom, boom. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna start putting arrows, I guess. Oh, we got some other patterns I didn't see. Or did I see it not mark it? Double bottom. We got a double bottom. But the double bottom becomes null and void when it's above, when it's directly under a bearish pattern, harmonic pattern. Okay, and not a bearish pattern in this case. Whenever the double bottom is under directly underneath the a harmonic pattern like this, okay, just this one, right, and it's right there and not over here. It's underneath it. It's null and void. I have a rating system that's also part of the RSAI strategy course. That rates every single situation so that you can decide whether you should buy or sell a particular product. And that's what I'm doing. I'm just see how I decide whether I want to, if I'm not really sure, if I want to get in, I'm not 100% sure, I would write a sheet and I have like numbers that are assigned. You would see that in the course. Numbers that are assigned, and then it would tell you based on the mathematics, okay, and the values of each indicator and that particular part of that indicator. They're sectionized in a way. You follow that. Like for example, if your rating scale tells you that a buy for this pair, I call it pairs, okay, because it's pegged against US dollar here. If it says for you to buy a 10 to buy it, right? And then you do the math, but it says 20 for the rating to sell, you're going to sell it, okay? You want the further the deviation, the higher the probability of that higher number to be correct. Say, just off the top of my head, I'm probably going to be wrong on this, so because I'm not looking at the legend. This is in the course, but let's see. Let's say, I'm just guessing. And the two harmonics cancel out each other. 9 sell a 7 to buy. If you get something like that, you don't do anything. It's most likely a flat market. Okay. So, and then you gotta look at it, you know, you're gonna look at the higher time frame. All right, not the lower time frame. But if you're gonna hold it, let's say you wanna hold it for 3 hours, a few hours, right? Like, you know, like you're thinking hours in your head, then you want to look at the hour time frame, hour or maybe the 2, right? But if you're thinking of a day, I would say if you're thinking of more like half a day or more, you want to be 4 hours and up, okay? So I do give some video lessons. So, okay, all right. Oh, I like this, man. Okay, oh, I'm feeling this one. I like that. Beautiful. You can get your number. You get your number, Adam. What's your number? I'm gonna call you. Call you later. I like that. Oh yeah. Now that makes me happy. This is a nice little buy right here, man. So I've seen these things so many times. I know, like, just instinctively. It's like so instinctive because I've seen so many charts. More charts than you can shake a stick at. Oh man. Yep, this is what I was looking for. Thank you very much. I was looking for your fine self. I found you, ma'am. Boy, you got a nice cuddle patootie right there. I'm gonna take you out. That's a beautiful harmonic, isn't it? Look at this one slanted. Look at that baby. I want to see what's up here. Right in this area. You know what? I'm gonna mark it. Right in this area here. I want to see something. All right. You better show it to me. I want to see something. I want to see. I believe this is a harmonic pattern. It looks like it. I mean, I feel like it is. Could be wrong. They're not quite. It's almost a pattern now. I'm trying to get the system to pick it up. It's not picking anything up. What? The double anything? Wait a minute. This wasn't complete. This isn't complete. This isn't complete. Something is just incomplete here. It doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right. So I don't need to put that one because it's fulfilled. So that was obsolete. I think this is headed up to 39. I mean, I'd say get in, but if it moves, I mean, it should get here, I think, in a few days, probably a few days. Yeah, in a few days. Maybe by the 21st, 20, somewhere in there, the 21st. It should get to this point. I'd really like to see what it's going to do once it hits that once it hits that cloud right there. It's got to get back inside. It's dropped out of here. But I'm thinking, my brain. Oh, this is good. Yeah, yeah, I would be buying. I would buy it. Absolutely. I would buy this. I would buy this. I don't understand if I was gonna buy Adam. Did I say I was gonna do that? I don't have my book. All my books are on the shelf. Sitting down, I cleaned everything off the desk. Touching all these items around me. Keyboard, mouse, another mouse, TV. All these sounds in the background, right? Let me take this off because then I'm gonna think that's a double bottom. Yeah. It's gonna, at least here, I'd watch it. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, I didn't see this at first. Look, this is the doorway. That's it. It's gotta hit one of these. Usually it's shaped like, it's usually flat, this, and then this. That's usually the doorway for price to get in. It missed this one. If it doesn't have this doorway, it's not gonna happen, okay? You need this. I'm telling you, these things are so. There's the curve. See the curve, the curve. I mean the side. You go flat, curve, flat, doorway. I mean, when did I put? I gotta go back and look at my other video. Where was this priced in the last video? I did this, and it's. I know I just put this just now, but look at the price. Just, oh man, it went right through the. I told you guys, this is how it goes. I'm telling you. This is how it goes. I got this. Yeah, whatever. This different spot doing this recording. Not my usual place. But anyway, isn't that something? Isn't that something? Adam, man, how much is it? 28. Oh, it's up today. 2%. Oh, it says it right here. But wait a minute, that's where my mouse is. It's saying right there, 0.8. But over here, when I go over here, so, but it says 2% today. The change. Nice. I like this. Oh, a lot of them went up today. So, I mean, I wasn't going to make this a whole analysis video. I wanted to just talk about it. But I did a few while you're here. Well, no, we had the screen open. It'll end up being an hour and a half long. I don't want that. So, but I wanted to just basically clarify what I'm trying to accomplish, what this is. I don't want you to get this confused with crypto alert services that are out there that are like, I mean, it's just like, oh, we'll send you 11,000. You get always 1 billion notifications to you. I mean, come on. That's just giving you information. It's not an alert service. An alert service is somebody that's giving you, saying, all right, we think this is a good buy right now. We think we think you should get out. Oh, no, we think that this is, you know what I mean? Like, we're doing this right. We're getting in and not this, well, there's so-and-so announcing the news alert and this and that. It's just giving the word alert to sound like, this is something you need to know. If I'm giving you an alert, an actual crypto trading alert, okay, that's going to be what it is. It's going to be, no BS. You know what I mean? Like, this is what's going on. This is what's happening right now. You can get on be a part of it if you want to. If not, that's also fine. So, all right, so that's it. I'm look at this Adam. Maybe we'll see. We'll see if I get it on. I gotta go. So I'll talk to you guys next time, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.